Hey everyone, I'm David, beauty director at Sephora.
And it's Jeffrey here, also a beauty director, and we're here to chat with you about a really fun category at Sephora. It's clean skincare. So definitely, I think Sephora has been a champion and an authority in this category, and we're here to deliver a video to talk about all about concerns and some clean product recommendations for those concerns. First up, it's important to really understand what clean at Sephora really means. Now, at Sephora, we have a list that's continually changing and evolving. We have partnered with the brands to create products to be formulated without. So these are ingredients that you may have done your own personal research and find that you don't want that in your product in particular. So we have an option for you. Now, it's really easy to discover those products because we have a tab on Sephora.com and a really easy seal.
Look for this seal.
Yeah, anytime you're checking on a product page and you see this particular seal, you know that that product fits into this category, right? Now,
It's a great way to navigate the whole entire assortment of products we have. And the first concern we're going to talk about is dullness. I think this is a pretty common concern.
for sure.
A lot of people feel that their skin just sort of lacks that luster.
Yeah, even like midday, like I know sometimes like halfway through the day, I feel like my skin needs a little refresh.
Yeah.
Like I'm just kind of feeling like I lost my glow
Yeah.
that I had originally. And these products are gonna be really great for that. Or kind of boosting that radiance overall, like giving that kind of like lit from within kind of
So the
vibe.
first product we're going to jump into is an iconic product that has been around for a very long time. I did a whole video on this product about
You
4
did.
years ago.
Yeah,
This
for
is
sure.
Caudalie Beauty Elixir. And
You
I
can
mean,
see this one's already kind of
know,
made its
I already
way
was like-
down quite a little bit.
I was spraying it the whole
Yes,
time we were
exactly.
waiting. I was like, just calm
Very-
me down, just calm me down.
so refreshing.
This is a really beautiful toning mist, as you saw, that smells so good. I love the way this stuff smells. So it's a great toning mist. It's fantastic for helping to tighten the appearance of pores, which is great. It also gives your skin an instant boost of radiance, just a sort of a shot. I always think of it in terms of like, it does for your skin what it does for your mood.
Yeah.
When you smell the smell of this, you're automatically like,
It's an
you wake up.
uplifting kind of feeling, a
Yes,
vibe. Like
yes.
you get that burst of energy,
Yes.
and it gives that skin energy too.
And it's really great because it's formulated with some fantastic ingredients that can help clarify your skin. So it can provide your skin throughout the day because it's a mist. You can use it during your skincare routine, during your makeup routine, in the middle of your makeup routine, at the end of your
Multitasker.
makeup routine, because it will set your
Multitasker,
makeup.
yeah,
It does
multitasker for
so
sure.
much for you.
Yeah.
And it's just a fantastic overall product that I think is great. And it's great to know that this is clean at Sephora, and it has been. And if you look at Caudalie in general, they have a lot of products that fall into that category.
So next up for dullness, we also have from KORA Organics, the NONI Bright Vitamin C Serum. Now this is gonna be infused with a superfruit vitamin C complex that's gonna give the skin a jolt of energy. I love it in the morning time. I kind of liken it to kind of your morning juice, right? It's gonna give you that kind of like lit from within glow and really help with radiance and texture overall.
Yeah,
Now-
vitamin C is great for dullness. We know it's such a powerful ingredient when it comes to really anything with skin. It's just a great ingredient for making your skin look fantastic.
Now you've got also a lot of other good for you ingredients in there, like sodium hyaluronate and olive leaf extract, which leaves the skin nicely retexturized, softened, and ready for makeup application. So I think that this would be a great way to start your day for sure.
Yeah. And again, also, you know, it's nice to find that there are vitamin C products out there that are clean at Sephora.
Exactly, for
You
sure.
know? So the next bucket that we're going to go into and talk about, which I think is, for me, my big bucket, it's fine lines. I don't want them. You can take them. You can keep them.
Iron them. Iron them out. Iron them out.
I will take anything to help with fine lines. So this is a great product from Herbivore, and this is the BAKUCHIOL Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. A great product, and for a couple of reasons. One, it is a plant-based retinol alternative. So right off the bat, this is a great option for if you are looking for cleaner products, but also if you are somebody who wants to use retinol, but your skin may be a little sensitive to retinol.
And you want to try like an alternative.
This is a great alternative that's a little gentler, I think, for the average sensitive skin person.
Yeah.
So it's a fantastic way to receive those benefits. So it really helps to promote your skin's cellular turnover, which we know helps to alleviate the signs of fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, just general aging as a whole. You know, that's what it does. It really does help the skin turn itself over and bring up that younger, fresher skin to the surface. There's also some great ingredients in here to really help to hydrate the skin, help nourish it. So overall, it's a fantastic serum. Another thing that I love about this is, I don't know if you've tried this yet.
I did feel it the other day. It's
non-existent.
Right.
It
like
literally
weightless.
soaks into your skin and disappears within moments. Like, it doesn't even feel like it was ever there. There's no fragrance.
No, completely
There's no
odorless.
scent. It is invisible. It's truly an invisible serum.
And
That's
I'm
awesome.
sorry, I just love the color.
Yeah,
like,
I know,
again,
I do.
Seriously,
I love that.
Herbivore, I think all of their packaging, whenever you like line up all of their serums together on the
I know, they're
your
so
bureau,
pretty.
It's so beautiful to look at.
Beautiful to look at and beautiful
results.
Beautiful results, which I
Yeah.
think is what's so fantastic. And I think that's a key thing is this BAKUCHIOL is a fantastic alternative for retinol and retinoids and all those retinol-based ingredients. It's a great way for those of us out there who want something that's a little bit more cleaner to experience those same great results. Definitely a must look at and a must try Herbivore. This is a great product. Well done.
Love that.
Yeah.
Now, next up is a product that I've been using for quite some time and that I'm a huge fan of. And it's something that hits near and dear to my personal heart, like my heart, because it's a concern for me for sure. Yes.
Is this your concern? That was my concern. This is your concern.
This is my concern. But it's literally the same category. We're still talking about fine lines and wrinkles. But mine is targeted a little bit more for the eye area specifically. This is the Biossance Squalane and Peptide Eye Gel. First off, it's clean, and I think what's really cool is that they use a plant-derived squalane, which is really awesome. Most squalane is derived from sources that, you know, are maybe not so friendly to the environment, and this is a really cool way it's like harnessing the power of nature in a positive way. That
Feels really nice on the skin, too.
Yeah, it's a lightweight gel formula that kind of dissipates really quickly.
Yeah.
You've played with it
I've
before.
used this before. I like it. I'm a big eye cream user myself because it's so important. I mean, it doesn't matter. This is one of those great categories where it doesn't matter what type of skin you have, whether you're driest of dry to oiliest of oily. Everyone needs to use a good eye cream because that area of skin is so thin on everyone.
Right.
If you don't want to see signs of aging,
It's the first to go.
you gotta start the process
You gotta
young.
start early. That's I literally
Start young.
And I use this one in my kit too because I know that it's really, again, safe for sensitive skin. We don't
Yes.
have a lot of crazy actives that are going to
Yes.
cause any irritation or do any craziness to my makeup. So
Right.
it's really great to prep the eye area with.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next category is definitely a concern that I know a lot of you ask a lot of questions about. We definitely get repeated. How can I minimize the appearance of my pores? So this is all about pores and retexturizing the skin. Now, retexturizing can mean a lot of things.
And it can
So-
solve for different things,
Different
too.
things too. So this is going to be a multi-use product for sure. And this is one that I'm going to give straight to David because I know he's going to be a huge fan of. If you haven't, you've already tried it, right?
I haven't tried it, but
Okay.
I know what it is.
Yeah, when I saw this, I actually saw this in the store, and I kind of freaked out about it when I saw it on the shelf. This is from Moon Juice, and this is the Beauty Shroom Exfoliating Acid Potion. Now, this is a 25% acid complex. Here you go. Like, go for it. I feel like I would just want to pour it on top of his head and let it, like, drip down and do its thing.
Moon Juice, do I get a discount when I order this by the barrel?
I love it.
Because I'm
I
going
love
to
it.
bathe in it.
Now, this has got an AHA and BHA complex in there. It's like an acid blend that are really great for, again, resurfacing and retexturizing the skin. So it's going to minimize the appearance of pores, really make them look a little bit tightened, and get down in there and help to scoop out any impurities and make them look clean and fresh.
Ooh,
How does it feel?
I like it. I can
Now,
feel it has a little work
it does.
tingle.
This one does have a little bit of a tingle to it.
I
which
want
I
it to
love.
tingle.
I love that. I know, me too. I think it just is very gratifying. Like, you know that it's actually working. There's
Yes.
something satisfying about it.
Well, I'm going to say I have sensitive, reactive skin. And I know a lot of people who have sensitive skin can sometimes be scared of an acid, especially an active acid like this. But I do find with products like this, they work fine on my skin.
Yeah.
Like, give me the full force. I can melt my face off.
Here's the deal.
And I will love you.
If you're like a David and you love the acid tingle, like drop some little star emojis down in the comment section below and let's light it up for sure. Like definitely
show
do
me
it.
The tingle
show
fan
me the tingle.
club,
Like
okay?
we want to hear who you are out
this
there.
This is
for
really
sure.
nice. Now I will definitely. Jeffrey knows well. This has been on my vision board. Like I need to try this product.
Actually,
yeah.
it has been on mine as well. I've been really
It feels
inspired.
really nice. What's also nice about it, I have to say, is it absorbs very fast into the skin.
Yep.
So moments already it's absorbed in, and it actually my skin actually feels more hydrated afterwards. It feels smoother and hydrated. So I think that on my face it's going to feel wonderful.
I definitely would use it like maybe more towards the evening. In the morning time, if you're going to use it, definitely wear an SPF.
My heart is racing just looking at the percentage of acid in this.
25.
Like, yes!
25, which is cool. And it's a clean product, which I think brings up another huge topic of conversation when it comes to clean, is that a lot of people think that clean products may not be as effective or they don't deliver results, but that's definitely a myth for sure, and we're here to myth bust for you.
Absolutely. 100% all these products are not only clean, but they're very effective.
For sure.
Very, very effective. So the final bucket that we're going to be talking about, I think, is a very calm one. And this is for basically dryness. So the next product is definitely a rising star in skincare in general from Tatcha. And this is the Dewy Skin Cream. It is literally the one to make you dewy. This is such a rich, beautiful, decadent moisturizer. It feels so good on the skin. It hydrates you instantly, leaving your skin looking so plump and beautiful. The feeling of hydration lasts for hours. One of the key ingredients in this is the Japanese purple rice. Hence the reason
I know,
for this.
I love it. I'm like, I had to go look up the ingredient, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to cook with it now.
So
like, it looks
pretty.
so beautiful.
Well, there's actually interest to it. So I like when you hear about these brands that take time-honored ingredients that people may have been using in cultures for hundreds of years, like Japanese rice, Japanese purple rice, where it was sort of praised for its ability to survive through harsh environments. And it was like nothing could kind of kill this stuff. And they were like, well, what is it? Why is it doing that? Why is it so vital? Why does it have this life force? And Tatcha took that ingredient
and harnessed the power.
Of it. So again, we're talking about clean ingredients that are really effective. And this product really delivers. There's also an Okinawa algae blend and a hyaluronic acid in here, which really deliver extreme amounts of hydration, not only immediately upon applying the product, but also helping your skin maintain that hydration for long periods of time. That's a key thing with people who have drier skin is, sure, you could put a moisturizer on, could feel great in that moment. What's it going to feel like in an hour? What's it going to feel like in 2 hours? This is one of those
prolonged hydration.
That hydration is going to last throughout the day. Your skin is just going to look lovely, delicious. And I have to say, for me, I love to use this to prep before makeup.
It's a beautiful
if you
texture.
want that glowing skin, which everyone wants right now, put a little bit of this on. You ain't gonna need no highlighter. Your skin's gonna look amazing. Amazing. So you're next. You got another product for us for dryness.
This is new, and it's from Primera. This is another fun K-beauty product. This is the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. So again, it's a very lightweight kind of very light dewy texture.
I like those lightweight textures.
Delicately dewy.
Listen, as I get older, I need a little bit more hydration, but I don't like to feel it.
Now the first thing
I like to get it, but not feel it.
Now first thing I want you to do is take a smell, like kind of give it a.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, for sure. Now, there's a lot of botanical herbs, and there's definitely for sure, like you can smell that it's an apothecary brand straight up.
Nice.
Now, this
smells really, really nice.
Yes, it smells beautiful. Now, that smell is definitely coming from the berry complex. So you've got strawberry sprouts in there, and then you've got wild blackberry as well, which are going to be really great for boosting hydration and kind of giving an overall glow and radiance. You know, we love blackberries for kind of their brightening effect. Really, a lot of people
antioxidant,
rich for sure. So you're getting that sort of protection from the environment and all of that beautiful moisture, which I really, really love.
I can feel with that one that is a very nice hydrating cream.
Yeah, and you can
That's
see I keep
still
rubbing,
lightweight,
like it's still moving. Like I have a little slip to the skin. Like it's got a nice longevity, you know?
I bet that would be really nice before makeup too, as like a prep for makeup. That's probably a really nice cream.
And it's Clean K Beauty.
And Clean K Beauty.
I'm obsessed. It's
I know.
Two worlds collide for me. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, exactly. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this as much as Jeffrey enjoyed that.
Right. Exactly.
You know, hopefully this helped you guys navigate the Clean at Sephora category a little bit better when it comes to skincare and what you're looking to get from your skincare, what issues you're looking to address with your skincare and get results from, because these products all really do perform. They perform really incredible, actually. So if any of these products are things that you're excited to try, or maybe you've tried them already and you're really loving them, let us know in the comment section below.
Yeah, if
we
you're a clean
love
queen.
to
Are you a
read
clean
it.
queen?
Are you
I'm a clean queen.
I'm a clean queen. For sure. For sure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you guys can get new videos like this from us each and every week. And until next time, check out the Clean at Sephora, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.